morning. Good morning. How's everyone doing? How's everyone doing today? I'm gonna say something crazy, but I'm gonna wait for a few of you guys. I'm gonna say something crazy. I'm just waiting for a few of you guys to join. I'm about to drop something crazy. Wait, what? It looks like I'm on my phone. Are you guys? Can you guys all see my screen? Can everyone see my? Can everyone see my screen? Is this better? Is that better, chat? Y'all made it seem like at 9:45 there's gonna be a crazy move, bro. Oh, no SMT. I don't see no SMT here. Yeah, no SMT. I like this trend of liquidity. Like all this liquidity above. Equal highs right here. So if there was like a form of trend liquidity, that would be like amazing. Swing low got rated. Swing low got rated. Boom. Swing high got rated. Market structure shift. Any SMT. It's not, price is not giving us an SMT, bro. Look at NASDAQ. No SMT. This is what I'm seeing, chat. You ready? Swing low got rated. Nice sweep of liquidity. Swing high got rated. Boom. So now we made that fair value gap. Price is dead today because price is just dead today. Today is a day of patience, bro. Today is a day where you just have to kind of just wait and see what does the market want to give you, you know? Swing high got rid of, swing low got rid of some market structure shift. No, how'd you blow it, Kenny? Everyone like up the stream right now. Everyone like up the stream. If you guys want to be a part of the giveaways, a part of everything, why this is the first thing you not do, like up the stream? I'm shocked right now, guys. I'm shocked. I'm shocked, chat. The first thing you guys should have done is like up the stream. Clean SMT. Clean SMT.
Eyes on NASDAQ. How far is this? Has to be less than 15. Holy shit, that's a lot of fucking volume. Okay, chat. Closure here. SMT. All right, guys, buy right here. Risk accordingly. You might have to enter micros. Stop loss is quite wide. It's fine. If not, just make sure you have a tight, at least a strict stop loss, at least. $46 stop loss. That's insane, chat. Definitely need micros on this one. 46 point stop loss. You need micros or else you're going to get stopped out if you have your stop loss at like a set fixed number. We're still at like break even pretty much. So if you guys can make sure micros is important. Yeah, it's a sell. Pretty much. Let's tease it on that. Yeah. Yeah, that's SL right here. Look, chat, if we ever have price like this and the volume here is 46.25 and such a tight looking stop loss, you must enter micros. You have to enter micros, chat. Does that make sense? This is a ridiculous amount of volume. Is this a good setup? This is an excellent setup, to be honest with you, because there's still close range liquidity. If we measure from here to here, should be less than 15. Ooh, okay, it's not less than 15. It's 19.25. It's fine. Human clinical error. But ideally, if this is less than 15, it visually looks less than 15. Just that there's so much volume in the market. Ever since the government shutdown, the amount of volume in the market is ridiculous. But it's okay. We make it back up. We make it back up every time. Every time we take a loss, we end the day back in W. Every time we take a loss, we end the day back in W. So don't worry about that. Where's structure? Okay. I see what's going on. Swing high here got rated. Boom. Swing low here got rated. Boom. Market structure shift. Leg that caused the market structure shift. Left behind a 2 hour. Bearish fair value gap.
Yeah, the closure candle did have a big wick right here. It did have a big wick. I don't like that. I said that on live stream last time too. On my other live stream. Yeah, it's because it's reacting off of this 2-hour bearish fair value gap. I think price is gonna go to this. Price is gonna go here, chat. It's gonna go to this low right here. You know how many points this is from where we're at to here? You know how many points this is? That's over 160 points, by the way. That's over 160 points that the market's gonna drop down to. I'm telling you guys ahead of time. We'll see. This 5 minute is still respected here, but it's just we gotta see. There's no entry unless it's on the 30 seconds. I think it's gonna rip down because of the 2-hour bearish RMR. Right? But you know what sucks is that there's so many points in the market. It's like, where's your stop loss gonna be? 70-point stop loss, right? That's not my type of style of trading. So when the market is inputting so much volume, like it's making me adjust to a different type of trader right now. I like it when there's like a decent amount of volume, not too much volume, right? Because I can use my measurement tools and enter based off of given numbers.
Exactly. Like when I have those 10-point stop losses, 12.5-point stop losses, those are my favorite trades. Those are my favorite trades. On that 46-point stop loss, I traded only $100 risk. I know what you want to do. I don't know why you're taking long to do it. Just go down. I know you want to flip and just dip. I told you. I told you. Let's go down all the way here. I'm telling you, from here to here is 162-point movement. Trailing stop loss, as in, like, let's say Apex has trailing stop loss. What to do if they have trailing stop loss? Is that what your question is? सैयारा तू तो बदला नहीं है हम जरा I'm so tempted to go for sales here, guys. I'm itching.
Why wouldn't I go for sells in here? Oh, bro, I'm so tempted. So tempted to go for sells right here. So tempted. So tempting. Sometimes you have to control. Sayyara tu tom badala nahi hai. Hanzara se nazar hai. Sayyara tu tom badala nahi hai. Hanzara hai. Oh, 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 oh. सैयारा तू तो बादला नहीं है हम जरा ये मर्ज़े सैयारा तू तो बादला नहीं है हम जरा This is why I do not control my temptations and enter the trade. Whoa. Okay, so we're still respecting this 5 minute. The only difference is we have a better looking SMT. Bro, come on, man. Bless me here. Come on. SMT, come on, man. How's it going? There is SMT chat. You ready for buys chat? 3, 2, 1. Get ready. On the flip of this candle, if we can flip above this candle and close right here, if we can flip again above this candle and close right here, if we can flip above this candle, then we can go for buys. If we can flip. All right. Buy chat. Any closure flip. On closure flip. Oh. It needs to close. It needs to close. Bro, I hope we're not delayed. I hope we're not delayed. I hope we're not delayed. Closest above. I hope we're not delayed. I hope we're not delayed. YouTube, do not delay me. YouTube, do not delay me. Closure. Closure means closure candle, which means 1, 2, 3. Please tell me some of you guys got what I said. Please tell me some of you guys got what I said. Please. Closure candle means once it closes. Once it closes. Okay, it's about to close. Okay, it's about to close. 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 Now buy right here. This is what I want. That's your buy. That's your buy. That's your buy. Here to here, one to here. Bro, even though it's 1 to 1, I don't even think I can even count it. Just based off of delay and speed and like
I can't count this as a 1-to-1, guys. The reason why I can't count this as a 1-to-1 RR. Yeah, YouTube delayed. I know. The guys in the Telegram got it earlier. I had a feeling. I'm like, yeah, YouTube's gonna get this delayed version. The problem is that this market is so flippin' volatile right now. It's not even choppy. It's just volatile. The amount of points, like we have to wait for PM session, chat. I think PM session is the way to go. We have to wait for PM session because look, we have a clean RMR right here, clean 5-minute RMR. Swing low got rated, boom. Swing high got rated, boom. Market structure shift left behind the gap, boom, 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 boom. Go to the 1 minute, boom. We have to wait for what do you call it? Yeah, we have to wait for PM session, chat. I'm not gonna lie. PM session is the way to go. The delay difference in which that price went up and when I said buy on YouTube, that couple seconds makes a difference, especially since we're on the second time. Yeah, it's saying F that shit. It's sticking to the original plan. Sticking to the original plan. Yeah, it's either you're available for the PM session or you just don't trade, bro. That's my two options for you. No, guys. This is gonna be my first red week in like 3 months. It's gonna be my first red week in 3 months. No. What would you do differently if you could start over? Oh, what would I do differently if I could start over? Bro, I'd fix this market, bro. This market's looking dookie. Look at gold, bro. It's consolidating. All right, guys. Who wants a funded account? The market is so bad. I have to give you guys funded accounts. Who wants a funded account? Yeah. I might do a giveaway. Ah. Okay, so look, I have people in my signal group that trade with Apex. Okay, they have trailing stop loss. So the best thing, the best thing I recommend you guys to do is to close every trade out 1-to-1. Bro, I'm ruining my win rate percentage for November, man. I'm trying to make it super high. I can still make it high. It's not too late. I gotta go like on a fucking like on a crazy one streak. Hold on, let me go and look at the chart. We be patient, chat. We be patient. Don't worry. That's why in this market you gotta do micros, bro. There's no tight stop loss thing on this right now. You have a shift in structure. That's why market is moving wassy. I figured something out right now. Yes, life of Bilal. That's exactly what I'm saying. Horrible. Yo, chat, it's going down. It's going down. It's going down. It's going down. Confirmed. 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 RMR in the 2 hours is too strong, bro. Even if it goes up, just to retrace, it's gonna end up going down. Right here. I really think it's gonna go from here to here. How many points is this? 80-point drop. That's crazy. 80-point drop. Let me get something for you guys. What up, chat?
Oh, what the heck? Didn't I say, chat, we're gonna take out that low? I said it was inevitable. That was the original thought process as well. It's like how many? It was like a. Literally took it out to the T. What the heck? Bro, at this point, I'm gonna start trading Bitcoin, bro. Let's see if Bitcoin had my setup. Yo. Bitcoin had my setup right here for sales. Boom. That fair value gap. Price tapped into it. GIFG. Bro, I gotta start trading Bitcoin at this point, bro. What a minute. Clean bean. How about Ethereum? Oh, Ethereum was even better. There was a buy setup for Ethereum. Ooh, super clean buy setup for Ethereum. Good morning, chat. Damn, Ethereum, Bitcoin, everything except for NASDAQ. What about Euro USD? I don't like Euro USD. There's not too much volume, but I don't like USD. Let's do GJ. DJ. What is GJ? No. G. It's the G. Yo, they all look the same, bro. Like the same as an ash. Okay, G has something nice. Guys, should we add GU to our collection?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna add G to the collection. I'm not gonna lie. You know what? Why it's good to have multiple pairs in our arsenal? Because if the market is not giving us the best looking one, we go for the best price action looking one. So yo, eyes on gold. If we can close without taking out this high, we can enter for buys right now. If it doesn't close above in the next 10 seconds. Oh, I barely just took it out, mate. This would have been a nice buy right here. Even a quick 1-to-1 would suffice. Right to those equal highs up here. Almost a 1-to-2 up there. Oh, chat. Today's one of those days, man. NQ buy now. What? Where? No, no. The gold one looks much better. Thank you. And it's hard to explain why it's not. It can be because of this gap right here, but it's not coming from a shift of structure gap, if that makes sense. I don't know how to make it make sense. Everyone, like up the stream if you want to be a part of the giveaway. Like up the stream right now. Like up the stream, like up the stream, like up the stream. Like up the stream. I got us a quick 1-to-1 here. Like up the stream, like up the stream, like up the stream. Right there, closure there, stop loss here. Got another continuation trade. Yeah, I like GU. I like GU. I like GU. Did we take? Yallah, come on, PM session. Yo, do you guys want me to go live again for PM session? You guys want that? Who wants me to go live again for PM session? Who wants me to go live for PM session? You guys want me to go live for PM session today? I'm gonna go live for PM session today, bro. I think I have to. I have to go live for PM session today. Okay, guys, we're gonna go live for PM session. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna do a quick giveaway. I'm gonna give away like $40,000 worth of funded accounts. Um, let's go. Winner number one. Let's see who deserves it. Who's been active? Let me see in the chat. If you've been active in the chat, let me know right now.
Who's been active? Okay, guys, the first winner is. Damn, all these guys active. I've never seen the whole day today. Ah, we had a trade on Bitcoin. There was a trade on Ethereum. There was a trade on GU. There was a trade on everything except for the two pairs that we trade, Nasdaq and gold, bro. You actually cannot make this up. My strategy was on every single thing except for the two things that we trade. I know what that means, bro. We're expanding, bro. I'm gonna have a meeting with my students, and each student will be designated as an asset class. One student will focus on gold, one student will focus on Nasdaq, one student will focus on GU, one student will focus on. I'm gonna train my students to master one asset class. I'm gonna train them to master one. There will be that one student who will just be good at all of it and will be able to do all of it at once. That student will be is a gifted student. Okay, looking at price now, guys. What happened? Swing high here got what? Swing high here got rated. Swing low here got what? Swing low here got rated. Swing high got rated. Swing low, what do you call that? Market structure shift. Leg that caused the market structure shift behind the what? A fair value gap. If price closes below here on a 3-minute time frame, you want to check is there an SMT with silver? Where's the SMT? Where's the fresh SMT though? Where's the SMT? Oh. But on the 15-minute, 15 minutes against us. Bullish RMR. Yeah, Chad. Yeah, Chad. This is called a sandwich. Something telling us to buy, something telling us to sell. This is what makes Hamuzi go crazy. Something tells us like this is not good, bro. These are the human times where you kind of have to be like, all right, you know what? Let me stay out. See, these are the times you have to have that awakening moment, bro. When you have one strategy conflicting the other one. I'm not gonna enter this for sales because we're working off of a bullish higher time from RMR. Doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense. It does not make sense, bro. It does not make sense. You know, one of the hardest things in trading is waiting for the A+ setup. That's one of the hardest things in trading. Being patient enough for the A+ setup. Okay, guys. Listen, I'm gonna come back here for PM session. All right. If I'm not here for PM session, don't worry. I will be at least trading. How many of you guys are in the Signal group? I send out the trades in the Signal group. So if I'm not here live stream on PM session, I'll send out everything in the Signal group. So then you guys can end the day in massive green. So that's gonna be cool. And stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for that. But yeah, guys, that's my goal. That's my goal. I want to have a student dedicated for each pair. I want to have a student that's dedicated for Nasdaq. I want to have a student that's dedicated for gold. I want to have a student that's dedicated for
Asia session. I want to have a student that's dedicated. Like, I need a mastered student. And I promise you, bro, I will give you more than what you pay for. I will literally. I was on call yesterday with Raul for like maybe an hour and a half. No scheduled call, no nothing. The reason why is because he's showing me so much determination that he wants to be that person that I can entrust with, you know? And this is an Asia session trader, right? Now I'm gonna be looking for a GU trader, someone that I can train, I'll make them the best of the best. So I don't know. We'll see how everything goes. Oh. Is this a buy on gold? Do we have an SMT? Was this that last fair value gap we wanted to get disrespected on gold? What was it? And then now it's gonna attack this high. Eyes on gold. Make sure we get our SMT. Eyes on gold. Yup. Clean SMT right here. So the whole time I was just waiting for eyes on gold. Eyes on gold. Get ready, guys. Get ready. 3, 2, 1. And buy gold. Right there. That's that entry right there. Is it the same thing with volumes? No, this is not the same thing with volume. It's a bit of a later entry, so we can trail our stop loss just a bit lower down here. This is like technically an instant trail. Inshallah, we get it to just go back up on here in this high. Come on. Our original entry, I'll be honest, was supposed to be right here. Instead, our entry was right about, I think, where was it? Right about there instead. Mike, yeah, it took out this high and then it closed. That is a rule no getter. It cannot sweep out. Write this down, guys. Write this down. Write this down. Write this down. Write this down. Write this down, bro. Take advantage of my human behavior right now. Write this down, guys. If I say write this down, literally write this down. It should not sweep a high. Write this down, chat. I'm serious. Write this down. You can only stay disciplined for so long, and then there will be small tilts. Write this down, chat. This swing high cannot be taken out. This swing high again cannot be taken out. And then closure above, because then you can see a retracement. When liquidity gets taken out, there can be a form of retracement. What the hell? Someone said didn't put a stop loss. Listen, when liquidity gets taken out, then it closes above on the zone. This is the key area in which where you'll. Then there'll be a form of like reversal here. Does that make sense, chat? There'll be a form of reversal down here. That's the problem, right? It should close before taking out the high. And if it does take out the high before it closes, as soon as it takes out the high, that's when we should move our stop loss immediately to break even. Okay, chat? Like it's a quick process. That's number one. Number two, entry is on the closure. Okay, so entry should be right when price closed, which is right about here. That's where price closed. But the reason why that didn't make the most sense for me is because, and this is less than 15 points as well. So it was doable. It was doable because it's less than 15 points. Again, depending on where your entry is and where your stop loss is. Can this have been a 1-to-1? This could have been a 1-to-1. So 1-to-1 guys would have been out already. They would have been, all right, I got my money. I'm out. There you go. 1-to-1, right? Now it made relative equal highs. So the chance of this being taken out is pretty high. This little high right here, this yellow, yep. And I got taken out. That little internal high right there. No, don't take another one. Don't take another one. Don't take another one. Just note down what I'm trying to tell you right now. Note down what I'm trying to tell you. Like if I make any type of clinical human mistakes, my goal is for you guys to be better than me, right? So again, if we swept a high, then close, you want to move SL to break even immediately, right? It will go for liquidity, and once it takes liquidity, it's saying F everything else. That's why every time I enter, I wait for there to be a close range liquidity point. Then I enter. So these are the human mistakes you guys don't want to make. Does that make sense, everyone? Does that make sense? Because realistically, like after this, where's the next liquidity point? How far is the next liquidity point? It's all the way up here. It's like 51 points away. Does that make sense, chat? Oh, I have to work overtime. PM session. Bro, this feels like back in the day. Guys, who remembers that one time when I lost 2 in a row? And then I just won 6 in a row right after. Who remembers that? Who was in the signal group when I did that once? I started off the day 0-2, so 0 wins, 2 losses, and then I ended the day 6 wins, 2 losses. Who remembers that? I was in the signal group. That was insane. I think that was the same day we were on the leaderboards. Yeah. We're gonna need that Hamuzi to come out now. Not gonna lie. We're gonna need that Hamuzi to come out. Every time I sleep late. Every time I sleep late. It's a part of the game. It's fine. I just care about my record. Okay. I have one of the most flawless records in the industry. So me doing shit like this is messing up my flawless record. Okay? Again, I have one of the best records. These losses are unnecessary losses. Right? Even if you're part of the signal group and you know and you see all these trades I'm taking, bro. This is unnecessary losses, bro. These are unnecessary losses, bro. These are like FOMO type losses. Unnecessary. But at the end of the day, look, this is how our equity curve looks like. This is our equity curve. Okay, chat? This is our equity curve. What? Hamuzi being Hamuzi. Hamuzi tripping out a little bit sometimes. Hamuzi being Hamuzi. That makes sense, chat? At the end of the day, we're going up, bro. Doesn't matter how shit goes. At the end of the day, we're going up. Does that make sense? Some of you guys might only deal with this part, and based off of how much you risk or this or that, this could be the end for you. Because when you zoom in, and you zoom in, and you zoom in, and you zoom in, and you're too zoomed in, is this a downtrend or an uptrend now? Your PNL chart. Is this going down or up? You're like, oh shit, I'm losing, bro. Yes or no? Right, chat? Right now, you're like, bro, I'm losing, bro. Oh my gosh, I suck. And then that's why in trading, you have to zoom out. You have to zoom out. And then you realize, oh, whoa, that was just another part of the journey. But at the end of the day, guess what? We're up. Right. So this is just a philosophy you have. I will never have a red month. I will never, ever, ever, ever have a red month. I'll never have a red month, inshallah. But I will never have a red month. Okay? Ever since I fine-tuned my strategy, I have not had a red month in a very, very long time. The week might be shit. The day, there can be definitely days where it's shit. But the month, The month, the month will never end red. And if your account is big enough to endure the losses that we have, oh my gosh. The most it'll ever be is a break-even month or a profitable month. Right? And that's the key in trading. You want to survive long enough. Your goal is to survive long enough to see the good days. That's all it is. That's all it is, man. Survive long enough to see the good days. Yeah, the market was just skadoosh, skadoodle today. Doggy, doggy, doggy. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like the market. I don't like it. Even when it's presenting my setups right now as we speak, I don't like it. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna end the live stream, guys. I'm gonna go to sleep. We're gonna do it properly. All right, guys. First winner of the day is who's active? I seen this guy's pretty active. BG Rav 17. You're the first winner of the day. You got yourself a 10K funded account. I want you to go to the AquaFunded Discord, then link in the description below. Go to their website, and then from their website, go to their Discord. Then once you get to their Discord, then go to the open a ticket that you want. Here's your proof, and then just show them, look, in this timestamp, this is where I want. All right, let's go. Next winner, Abdul Noor Mohammed 2NE. He won a 10K funded account. Same thing with you. I want you to timestamp exactly when you want in this YouTube video. Open a ticket in the AquaFunded Discord. Tell them that you want and show them this proof. The next winner who's active. Anwar was active. You got yourself a 10K funded account. Same thing. You're able to claim it the same way I told everyone else to claim it. Who else? Adam was active as well. You get yourself a funded account. I'm gonna give you guys 60K in funded account, not 40K. So it's supposed to be 40K. I'm supposed to stop here at Adam, but let me see who else I can give a 10K account to. Who's been active? Who's been active? Who's been active? Brother, Big Rav 17. I'm gonna take away your account that you just won. You said I need futures account, bro. You just won a 10K Forex funded account, and now the I never knew beggars can be pickers. Like, whoa, what's going on, brother? I just gave you a free 10K account, and you're asking me for a different type of account. I should take it away from you right now, unless you didn't know you won. Tell me you didn't know you won. That's a Forex account. Tell me you didn't know you won right now. Anthony, Big Fur, you got yourself a 10K funded account. You got yourself a 10K funded account. Big shout, big shout, big shout. And yeah, guys, so that's pretty much it. 6 winners today. Lock it in. We'll come back at PM session. At PM session, I'll do another giveaway, maybe. Whoa, another 60K giveaway. All right, guys. Love you guys. Have a beautiful day. I gotta go to sleep, bro. I gotta go to sleep. Love you guys. I'm gonna come back again. PM session. We'll do another thing, another giveaway, another thing, all that stuff. Can you pay it forward for good karma? Okay, Anthony wants me to pay it forward. Let's see who's gonna win. The next person that wins a 10K Forex account is. Let's see who's gonna win. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Anshawari. Anshawari. Yeah, man. Give me your payouts. Give me your payouts, chat. All right, guys. I love you guys. Have a beautiful day. I did the giveaway. I'm gonna do another live stream. Stay tuned, guys. Everyone join the free Telegram. Stay tuned. I love you guys. Take care. I need a mental break, guys. I need a mental break, please. I need a mental break. I have to get a mental break so I can come back full efficiency. I need rest, mental break. Let me nap, let me rest, and then let me come back with my full efficient brain. Let me come back with my full efficient brain, please. We'll be back. All right, guys. I love you guys. Take care. Have a beautiful day. Peace out. Good night. Love you guys. And I'll see you guys at PM session today. Peace out. Probably battery noise made me crazy. Shit.